Good news to you if you actually create AI faceless content on YouTube. Now, if you've not subscribed to grok.com, there is another free tool that I'm going to share with you that would help you to generate videos for your stories or your AI content. Now, this is something you need to note. Many of these tools, many of them are good, but note that some of them might eventually become paid tools. So what you have to do right now is to make the most of whatever tool I am sharing with you. You want to immediately start creating all your videos, even if you're not uploading the videos now. Create them, upload them, schedule them, or create them and just store somewhere in your phone. Do you understand? But better still, schedule them so that at the end of the day your videos will still keep going up, because most of these tools, some of them will still go ahead to make them paid tools. Do you understand? But do not worry, I'll always be here sharing with you different free tools that you can use for your different AI videos. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to this channel, this is a good time for you to subscribe, because here I share with you different AI tools you can use for different functions. And let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to get our picture, our image. Now, in case you usually find it difficult to get prompts or ideas for images, it is simple. All you need to do is to come here to where you have Pinterest. Okay, so once you get to Pinterest, just look through. You would see different images. Do you understand? So just pick whichever image you want. Do you understand? So let me just come here and type African woman. Okay, just type African woman. So you can see African woman here. So I think I like this particular one. Okay, but it is actually in form of portrait. So I'm still going to use it, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to change it to landscape. So I will tap on it and then come down here to where you can see three dots. Okay, I will tap on the three dots. Now that I've tapped on the three dots, you can see download image. I will tap on download image. Just wait until you can see image downloaded. If you do not see image downloaded, it will not download to your phone gallery. But once you can see image downloaded, it will be directly in your phone gallery. So this is it right here in my phone gallery. The next thing I'm going to do now is to take it to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you something very interesting. Okay, so now that we're on ChatGPT, I will just come here and tap on this plus. Do you understand? I will tap on the plus, tap on add photos and files, tap on photo library. Okay, so it will redirect me to my gallery. Then I will tap on that particular picture, and then I will tap on what add. Okay, now that it's already loading up, I will now come and use this voice feature to tell it exactly what I want. So you are going to actually see the prompts that I will give it. This is what I told ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, I want you to generate a prompt for me that can be used to generate this particular image that I attached here. All right, give me my own special prompt and let it be very realistic. If there is anything you do not understand, let me know. This last statement is something you always want to include when talking with ChatGPT. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead to send this. So if at all ChatGPT needs any info from me, because I've told it to ask me, it will ask me. If not, it will just generate for me. So you can see, got you. I'll craft a very realistic. So this is the prompt already. Do you understand? This is the prompt already. So it is actually very good, and it is even still generating. You can see ultra realistic studio portrait of a beautiful African woman. Now, because I want it in landscape form, you see this place where it puts portrait. I'm just going to change it to what landscape. But can you see it even said here optional enhancement at the end of the video? Add this at the end depending on your tool. So you can decide to add natural skin texture, no over smoothing, realistic pause. All right, so what you want to just do is to come and copy this. I'll show you what to do right now. Do not miss this particular step that I'll show you. Come here to where you can see the two lines rather. I'll tap on the two lines. Now you can see images. You want to go to where you can see images. Just tap on images. Okay, so you can see here where it says describe a new image. You now tap on that particular one and paste that particular prompt there. Now, because some particular apps might not really allow for very long prompts, so this is actually good. ChatGPT will just do the work for you. So remember, you come here to tap on it, and it is actually very advisable for you to read your prompt in case there is anything that is not right. You can be able to just adjust. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to go down here. Now, because I'm filming for YouTube content creators, I know that you might be using this for your YouTube channel. So I'm going to put, I want to use this for my YouTube channel in 16:9 ratio. Do you understand? 16:9. And then I'll go ahead to just send it. Just tap on that arrow to send it. So now you can see generating image. So ChatGPT is actually going to go ahead and generate the image for us in a landscape orientation, and it's actually going to be very good. And this is the image. Okay, so I'll just long press, then I'll see save to photos. Okay, just for people who might not be able to long press. In case you're not able to long press, once you tap on that, it's going to bring up something like this. Then you can come to where you have download. Do you understand? And it will get downloaded into your phone. Load, you just download. All right, so that's that. Now the next thing we are going to do is to use a particular site. So still on your browser. Okay, what you want to just do, I'm going to a new tab actually. So what you want to do is to type lip sync lip sync lip sync AI. You can see it up here already, lip sync AI. So you just tap on that lip sync AI. Okay, this is actually quite similar to Grok. So this is lip sync AI. I'm just going to tap on this first one. You can see the black icon. Okay, I'll just tap on this particular one, and it is actually free. So now that it is free, you can start to use it. Most apps are free right now, but if you don't use them quickly, some of them might go ahead to make their plans a paid plan. Okay, you can see AI lip sync, you can see talking avatar, singing photo, talking photo. So there is a lot you can do with this. So you tap on talking photo. Okay, and if you want me to actually create one that has to do with dialogue, in case you are doing, you have a story channel and you want a dialogue, just let me know in the comment section and I'll film that for you. Okay, so you're going to see upload photo, you're going to see select avatar. Just leave this one, come here to where you have upload photo, and then just tap on it, then tap on photo library. Okay, so you come and pick this particular one. Guys, can you see how synonymous this is to this, but then it's different? So the reason I didn't want to use this is because, see, by all means, we are trying to avoid anything copyright, and you know that on this channel I always try to ensure that you do not make mistakes, you do not have anything copyright on your channel. So this is our beautiful image. I'll just tap on it and tap on done. Okay, so it's just going to load up here. Let's just hold on for it to load up. It's not going to take time. Okay, so you can see that it has loaded up. Now you can see they actually gave me 30 credits here, but I will actually still need to sign in. Do you understand? So that you can actually be able to create. But before even signing in, let's just try this. So I'm going to come here. You can see input text. Type what you want the character to say. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and type. So maybe I want to say Glory is the best YouTube coach. Maybe Glory is the best YouTube growth automation coach. All right, so maybe I want to just say this. Let me even put exclamation mark. So now that I've done that, you can actually make your own longer. I'm going to tell you how to make it longer, but before then, just come down here. Because we have a woman here, all right, a female, we need to pick a female voice. So this is where you're going to see the voices, and this particular one is trustworthy man. If I tap on it, you can see trustworthy man, you can see other voices. Okay, so let me use this particular one that says calm woman, or let me see if there's any other better one. Do you understand? So I think I'm going to go ahead with the woman. Okay, so I'm going to tap on this. You can even preview it. If you want to preview, tap here.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge AI.
All right, so I'm going to tap on this and I will tap on words confirm. Okay, if you feel like you can decide to come here to add anything, maybe female. Okay, you can come here to language, just speak English. You can come to the age, okay, and just pick whichever one you want. So I'm going to pick young. Okay, and if this is something that you like, this particular voice is something that you like, what you just need to do is to scroll to where you have that particular voice and tap on this tag icon here, so it will be saved for you. Do you understand? So I'm going to go back again to where I have the voice. All right, this is trust. Okay, so this is it. I knew that it would want me to sign in at some point. So once you can see sign in, just do not worry, go ahead and sign in. Okay, so I'll tap on sign in with Google. I want you to really understand this. If at any point you have any questions, please do well to ask me. Okay, so now that I've signed in, you can see instead of 30 credits, I now have 50 credits. So you can see G here. Okay, that means I'm already signed in. So Glory is the best YouTube growth automation coach. So I'm just going to come down here again, and then because we just signed in, we have to like pick our stuff again. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to just come here. If you want subtitles, you can come here to enable subtitles. But you guys, if you've been following me, you know that I do not really like it when my AI tools generate subtitles for me. I prefer to do it myself because I want my content to be a high effort produced content. So I'll come here to generate. So you can see it's going to generate with 5 credits. So imagine this generating with 5 credits. That means you can generate as much as 10 videos. Okay, so let me tap on generate, and it actually doesn't take time. Now while it's generating, you can see down here it's already generating. You can see we have just we can wait for just 151 seconds. That's just like less than 3 minutes. Okay, now while it's generating, in case you want your own to be very long, you know that what I put here is just Glory is the best YouTube growth automation coach. In case you want yours to be longer than this,
I
what
didn't
you want to
remember
do
to
is to
turn on
make your
the
text
audio here,
longer
but don't
than
worry, I'll
this.
still show you.
Now another thing is you can actually come here to where you see upload audio. So in case you have a particular audio that you already recorded on your phone, you can just go to upload audio and upload that particular file. You can also record your audio. I think on one of my recently uploaded videos, I showed you one particular AI tool where, in fact, the last one before this one, I showed you one particular AI tool where you can actually record your audio. Do you understand? So you can use any of these. So if I want to upload audio, I'll just tap on it. You can see upload audio up to 90 seconds. Imagine that, over 1 minute. Do you understand? And to generate it is just -1 credit. Imagine. Now look at record audio. For record audio, you can also record up to 90 seconds, as long as over 1 minute. Okay, but remember, I am showing you how to do this using text. Do you understand? So let us see. Can you see how fast? Can you see it has finished generating? So let's play. Now, one thing I did not remember to tell you is when you want to generate this particular thing for this lip sync, generate an image that is facing the camera. So this one is positioned like she's actually facing the camera. Can you see? To save it, you just come to this arrow here. If you look up here, you can see we still have 46 credits. So this is it. It used just 4 credits to generate this particular one. Okay, so you just tap on download. Guys, you can see how easy and fast, very fast. You just tap on download and that is it. So let me go and play it. All I just need to do is to tap here and then save the video, and that's it.
Glory is the best YouTube growth automation coach.
I decided to also upload another photo, but this time around the photo of a cartoon, maybe this particular one, and then tap on done so we can see what it will generate for us. Let me put I love my Bible. So this is what I'm going to put. I love reading my Bible, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick a particular sound. So let me just tap on this, tap on confirm. Anyway, I've put app happy here. Okay, tap on generate, so it's already generating it for us. Now let me mention that one of the things I love about this particular site is the fact that if you come here, you can see tip closing the page will not affect the artwork generation process. So let's assume you are even doing something else on your phone. You can even close this particular page and go somewhere else. Do you understand? And still come back, to get, and you'll still find this thing here. You're still going to find it, your video here, intact. Do you understand? So that's one good thing about it. Okay, it has finished generating, so I'm going to tap on it to play, but remember to tap on this button first.
I love reading my Bible.
So you can see it's actually very good. So I'll just come down here and tap on this download icon to download it. Let me know if you like this particular tool, okay? And let me know if you want more free tools. If you want a one-on-one coaching session with me, you can reach out to me via the email address on your screen. If you've not subscribed to our video editing class coming up on the March 30th, you would see all the details in the pinned comment. Bye. Mwah.